perfection, natural life. Perfection breathing is breath retention with the root and navel locks. So we'll be inhaling to the count of 3, engaging the root and navel locks. It's the Kegel, the perineum muscle, and pulling the waist up and in. Then we'll be holding the breath for 3 counts, maintaining these locks at the root and navel. And then exhale for 6 counts. And completely release and relax the waist, the pelvic floor, the whole body. 3, 3, 6. Find yourself in a comfortable, easy position. And exhale all the breath out to begin. Inhaling, 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath and retain the locks. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Maintain the locks. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, release 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Hold the locks. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last time in 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And notice the effects. Perfection meditation. Padma Dhyana. Lotus meditation. Bring your hands in front of your chest with all the fingers facing up skyward, and join your pinky fingers touching, symbolizing innocence reuniting. And the thumbs are also touching. And imagine your fingers receiving cosmic energies. This is the Lotus Mudra, the flower of the heart, growing out of the mud of ignorance, with a tall stem extending its soft petals toward the light of the sun. And just be with this Lotus Mudra, focusing on your inner beauty, growing toward the light. And then begin to place your hands on your chest or your heart. Take a few deep breaths here. And you can direct your palms downward or even place your hands on the floor or the earth, giving gratitude, beauty, and love to the earth.